Welcome to my channel Travel Guide How to Cancel a Spirit Airlines, step-by-step instructions, and refund options. Cancelling a Spirit Airlines flight is simple if you follow the right steps. You can cancel within 24 hours of booking for a full refund, but after that, cancellation fees apply. Use the Spirit Airlines website, mobile app, or customer service to process cancellations. If booked through a third party, contact them directly. Refunds are limited, but you may receive a travel credit for future flights. Always check your confirmation email for updates on your cancellation and refund status. Here's a detailed guide on how to cancel a Spirit Airlines flight, including the steps to follow, cancellation policies, and important information. 1. Review Spirit Airlines cancellation policy before initiating the cancellation. Familiarize yourself with Spirit Airlines cancellation policy. If you have a standard ticket, you can cancel it within 24 hours of booking for a full refund. If you're outside this window, cancellation fees apply. FlightFlex customers enjoy more flexible terms for changes, so check your ticket type before proceeding. 2. Cancel within 24 hours for a full refund. If your booking is within 24 hours, Spirit Airlines offers a free cancellation. This applies to both one-way and round-trip flights. To request a full refund, either visit their website or contact their customer service. 3. Understand the cancellation fees. After the 24-hour period, Spirit charges cancellation fees based on your route and the ticket class. The closer to your departure date you cancel, the higher the fee. For example, cancellations within a few days of departure may incur a higher fee. Make sure to check the fee schedule on the Spirit website. 4. Visit the Spirit Airlines website. You can cancel your flight directly through Spirit's website. Go to the Manage Travel section and log in using your reservation number or email address. You'll then see the option to cancel your flight. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. 5. Use the Spirit Airlines mobile app. If you prefer to use a smartphone, download and open the Spirit Airlines app. Sign in with your reservation details and navigate to the Manage Travel section. You can cancel your flight directly from the app, with the same cancellation options as the website. 6. Call Spirit Airlines customer service. If you're unable to cancel online or need assistance, contact Spirit Airlines customer service. Call 1-855-728-3555 or +1-866-217-1292 and explain your situation. An agent will guide you through the cancellation process. Be prepared for long wait times during peak periods. 7. Consider Spirit's FlightFlex option. If you purchased FlightFlex at the time of booking, you can make changes to your reservation, including cancellations, without paying fees. Spirit will charge a small fee for the FlightFlex option, but it can be worth it if you need flexibility. 8. Cancellation through third-party booking sites. If you booked your Spirit Airlines flight through a third-party website, e.g., Expedia, Orbitz, you'll need to cancel through that site. Contact their customer support, as cancellation fees and procedures may vary. Be aware that third-party bookings often have different cancellation policies than bookings made directly with Spirit. 9. Request a refund or travel credit. If you cancel your flight, you have the option to either request a refund, if eligible, or apply for a travel credit for future bookings. Refunds are generally available only under certain conditions, such as cancellations within 24 hours or if the airline cancels your flight. Spirit typically offers credit vouchers for cancellations outside these terms, which can be used on future flights. 10. Keep an eye on email confirmations. After you've successfully cancelled your flight, Spirit Airlines will send you a confirmation email. If you requested a refund, it may take several days, up to 30 days, for the amount to be processed. Keep track of all correspondence for reference in case of delays or issues with your refund. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a Spirit Airlines flight and understand your options for refunds or travel credits. Always check your ticket type and cancellation terms to ensure you avoid unnecessary fees. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.